Okay, so I decided to use OneNote to make my notebooks. I made two notebooks, one titled EDCI 270, which if you click this, it'll send you to this page, which has just another note that has assignments specifically for week 3. And then if you go back to OneNote, you can click Solar System because that is my theme for this course, and it'll send you to this page. This page has another note within it that's titled Our Planets that has other notes inside of that. I clipped in an article on the very first one titled Order of the Planets from the Sun. This is my little annotation over here in the corner. I annotated some other parts too, and then I also highlighted each of the planet names just so that they stood out more when you're reading the article. I have another note that is titled Pictures of Our Planets, and it has 3 pictures on here. I used Creative Commons to find pictures that didn't have any copyright issues. Specifically, I used Pixabay, which has free images that you can download and put into your own files. And then I just have another note that's got the planet order mnemonic. And yeah, that is how I used OneNote.